Value Smoked Oysters, fellas. Packed in oil. Not quite sardines. Never had these before in my life. Doubt I will like them. I do not like oysters. Don't like the way they look. I like the way they smell. So I'm going into this highly prejudiced against smoked oysters. So let's see how it goes. Woo! Smoked oysters.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the main event of the evening. Are you ready?
Howdy folks, Brainstorm here, coming at you again from the great outdoors. It's nice and breezy, the sun's behind the clouds, so it's still a good day though to get out and try something new. I'm just your average YouTuber who are just having fun doing this and hoping that I share some laughs with you, share some creative distractions. So whether you're laughing with me or you're laughing at me, at least you're laughing, right? So if you do me a favor though, look down to your right, right down there. If that little button is red, go ahead and make my day and make that red button gray and give me a subscription if you like this content and like this channel. I really would appreciate it. All us YouTubers out there in our YouTube journeys, we really do appreciate all the subscriptions and because they really do help our channel. If you like this content, please give it a like, comment down below, and let me know what you think because it really means a lot to me personally, and I know that you know that everything you do to support this channel and everything you do to support anybody's channel is very much welcome. So today, my brother, my brother gave me these smoked oysters, and he likes them. He tells me that they're good, and I should try. Great Value Smoked Oysters, packed in oil. I don't have any fond memories of trying oysters as a child. Um, I would, well, that's not true. My dad, back in the day, I know they probably still have oyster bars, but back in the day, my dad would go to these oyster bars and he would eat them by the dozen. He would just pop them, slurp them right up. I don't know if he put hot sauce on them or not. I don't remember. But I would go with him because I love going everywhere with my dad. And I hated oysters. They looked like boogers to me. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not a big fan of oysters. So what I would do though, they had crackers. They would put oysters on crackers and they put hot sauce and all sorts of things, ketchup. People would put all that on there. What I would do is make my own kind of oyster, what I call my oysters. I would get some crackers, some saltine crackers, put a little ketchup on there, eat those right out of there. That's really good. If you like something salty and crunchy and savory, that's even a good snack today. I still eat that sometimes today. I'm really big fan of ketchup, so I love ketchup. And then you take that saltine cracker and you put that little dab of ketchup on it. That's good. Sometimes I might even put a pickle on there, like a dill pickle, and put some ketchup on top of that. So like some double vinegar. Good stuff. So, smoked oysters packed in oil without any further delay. Let's pop that seal there. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie to you. My stomach's doing a little bit of a woohoo looking at that. It doesn't smell any worse. I mean, I'm worse than the oysters. It's very oily. But Lord mercy, look at that. Not a fan. I'm just not a fan of this idea. So, at least this is better than trying to shuck them yourselves. I mean, that's a whole process if you ask me. I've watched many people do that. They're gonna get good at oyster shucking, sucking, whatever. Not me. Not for me. Um. So let's try it. I'm gonna do the proverbial, It's not bad. The initial bite is not bad because it's the smokiness kind of covers that in the oil. But the aftertaste, I'm gonna get one more here. No sir.
Is not much of a tale, but I'm sort of attached to it.
Eeyore, don't fail me now. Whew. Ugh. And you know, it's sort of like a mushroom texture. Like a cross between a mushroom and maybe some calamari. Calamari is kind of rubbery, but basically tasteless. But the smokiness helps here. Kind of makes it feel like a mushroom. I really like mushrooms. The after flavor just like takes over your mouth. You can just feel the bad breath growing inside your mouth. Ugh. I'm not going to be accused by my brother of not really giving him a try, so I'm going to get one more in me. Look at that. Yeah. Ugh. Well, you get it in there. Not that bad. You chew it and you're thinking, what is this? These are not raw, at least. I don't think I can eat raw oyster. These are smoked. I abhor wasting any kind of food, but I definitely can't eat any more of these. Okay, that was for you, big brother. Smoked oysters. Woo! Smoked oysters, condensed. Oh, sorry. Let me start over. Smoked oysters. I love simple ingredients. Smoked oysters, cottonseed oil, salt. 10 grams of fat, 4 grams saturated fat. Ooh, that's high in cholesterol, sodium, protein. I could use more protein in my diet, actually. 8 grams of carbohydrates. Ooh, okay. Vitamins A, C, calcium, iron. Ooh, it's higher in iron. There's about 80 grams of fat, apparently, in this whole container. 170 calories. If that makes any sense. I'm not sure. At any rate, if you want to try them, by all means, go ahead, but I would not recommend it. If you like oysters, you probably like these. And I'm sure you can find them at Walmart like he did. Thanks, bro. I would say I'd save these for you, but I feel like they won't keep. And they might be a little bad already. I'm not sure. They taste bad. Anyway, thanks for indulging me in this little trial and error. At least I can check that off my list of I don't want to eat that again. I can say I tried it at least. Anyway, have a good day. See you next time, and God bless y'all.